how to use Blend on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. Today, we're diving into Instagram's Blend feature, a fun way to create and share custom reels with friends. Whether you want to collaborate on a dance, a trend, or just share a laugh, Blend makes it super easy. Let's get started. Blend is Instagram's newest feature that lets you and a friend merge your favorite clips into one shared reel. It's perfect for duets, challenges, or just mixing your creativity. First, open Instagram and swipe left to go to Reels. Then, tap the camera icon to start a new reel. Next, look for the Blend button on the left side. It looks like two overlapping circles. Tap it. Now search for a friend you want to blend with and send them an invite. They'll need to accept before you can start. Once they accept, you'll both pick clips from your camera rolls or record new ones. Instagram will automatically mix them into a split screen or transition style reel. Add music, effects, or text to personalize your
गरीबो
blend.
मुझे
When
मेरे
you're happy
मास्टर
with it,
बाथरूम का
hit share and post it to your stories, feed, or send it directly. Try blending with multiple friends for a group collab or use trending sounds to boost your reach. That's it. Now go blend some reels and tag us at How to Mastery. We'd love to see what you create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you next time.